How to fix retrieving data. Wait a few seconds and try to cut or copy again. Error in Microsoft Excel. Before trying the fixes in this video, ensure a stable internet connection. Since this error occurs primarily due to a data synchronization issue, check your internet connection and ensure it's fast and stable. Close and reopen the file. Since the data is backed up online, you can close the browser tab with the Excel spreadsheet, reopen it, and try to copy the data again. Try a different web browser. You're more prone to getting this error using Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. Therefore, try using a different browser, such as Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. Method 1. Deselect the copied data, copy, and paste it again. Open the Excel spreadsheet in your Excel web app. Deselect the data you're trying to copy, and wait a few seconds. Then, select the data you want to copy again, right-click it, and click Copy, or hold down the Ctrl+C keys on your keyboard. Navigate to the application you want to paste in the data. Right-click in the app, and click Paste, or hold down the Ctrl+V keys. Method 2. Open the file with the Excel desktop app. Open the Excel spreadsheet in your Excel web app. Click File. Select Save As, and click Download a copy. Then, open the downloaded spreadsheet using the Excel desktop app. Method 3. Clear your browser's cookies and cache. Clear cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. Open Edge. Click the three-dot menu button at the top right corner, and select Settings. Click Privacy, Search, and Services in the right pane. Scroll down, and click Choose What to Clear. Open the Time Range drop-down menu, and select All Time. Mark the Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files checkboxes. Click Clear now. Clear cookies and cache in Google Chrome. Open Chrome. Click the three-dot menu button at the top right corner, select More Tools, and click Clear Browsing Data. Select the Advanced tab. Open the Time Range drop-down menu, and select All Time. Mark the Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files checkboxes. Click Clear Data. Clear cookies and cache in Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox. Open the menu, and select Settings. Select the Privacy and Security panel. Scroll down, and click Clear Data. Mark the Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Web Content checkboxes, and click Clear. Click Clear now. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel